amazing!
Yeah.
I'm really curious what it will do now if I take the one more. We should give it another try, right? Back real quick. Just the axles. So yeah. Smoking?
Nah, there is like some smoke coming out, but it's the exhaust hangers, I would guess. I don't know. Good thing you came to test it.
Yeah.
Otherwise this wouldn't happen, it's over.
Let me call you up real quick. Radiator cut right away and now everything's leaking and fuck man. No, I don't. But I'm also not sure because it was literally, once again, smoking from behind the engine and from anywhere and underneath the fucking intake and I think there's a big chance that they had smoke. Not there yet. Not there yet.
I got a towel if you want.
Just a screwdriver will be good. I don't know. It makes that noise. Bruh, screwing it in. Just screwing around. Bro, it's like
open it and run away.
like 5 meters away. But look, it's like zero pressure. If it blows up, then I don't know. Ah, there's no pressure on it
Yeah, there's definitely a leak going on.
Yeah. But it's funny that it turned green instead of yellow now. Last time it was yellow, now it's green.